Hey guys, you're watching JYLeeCooking. Today we're going to be cooking Oyakodon. Before we start, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and the bell notification button for more future videos. First, you're going to need some teriyaki sauce. You can make this at home by mixing sake, mirin and shoyu, but I decided to go with store-made, it's easier. You need 2 eggs, shiitake mushroom as much as you need. I'm just going to use half an onion here, some spring onions, and of course, the most important part, the chicken itself. Chicken thigh is going to be nice. Now to start off, we're going to slice the spring onions and give the shiitake mushroom some slicing as well. We're going to slice the onions as well. You can add more onions if you wish, but for me, half an onion is enough. Now we're going to crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Some people may say you can mix it well. Some people say you just need to partially mix it. I prefer to mix it all well. Now we're going to do something a little bit different here. For me, I like to sear my chicken first. It actually gives it a little bit more of a flavor. Usually most of the time people actually just dice up the chicken and cook it directly into the sauce. Now you just need to partially cook it and you're going to slice it up into bite-sized pieces. Whether it's homemade or store-bought, just add about 100 ml of the teriyaki sauce in. I like it a bit sweeter, so 2 tablespoons of sugar, brown sugar if you like, and 150 ml of water to dilute the flavor. You're going to add in the onions and the partially cooked chicken. Then you're going to add in all the sliced mushrooms. You're going to let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. At this point, you can actually medium down the heat and add in your scallions or spring onions. Now you're going to bring the heat down to a minimum and gently add in the egg mixture. Now bear in mind, you want to keep the temperature as low as possible. You're going to cook it with very low heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Now the reason why you don't want to overheat it is because you don't want to create lumps and overcooked eggs. And now they're set and done, we're going to give it a light swirl and pour it over the rice. Make sure the rice is not too hot because it might overcook the egg. Now I'm just going to garnish it with some spring onions. You can garnish with whatever you like. Spring onions are best. And yeah, here you go. Oyakodon. Simple, homemade, easy. Thank you for watching and enjoy your meal.